Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to look at the design and build of some manual clamps. So these clamps are going to be in both HQ and NQ size, and they have been designed for a small little LT120 portable drill rig that we're using to drill a series of holes into a dam face. So if you come and take a look at the screen here, this will give you a bit of context into what we're doing. So we've designed this little portable rig. This here represents the dam face, and this bottom part here is just representing a platform that's going to be built to be able to do the drilling from. So zooming in, what we can see here is the collar, and then this little manual clamp sitting on top is what we're going to be building today. So we're doing two sizes, an HQ and NQ of that same particular clamp. The style is a split halve clamp, so it can actually open up and split apart so that you can pull it on and off whilst the drill rod is going down through the center. So I'll rotate it around and I'll try give you some different views.